Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Skills, the learning arena. In this video, we are going to learn something about the financial terms that often confuse us. We all know that financial sector is the most essential sector of any country because the economic progress of a country depends on powerful financial system of that economy. In the same way, at the individual level, the progress of an individual also depends on the efficient management of individual financial system. This is what we call financial management. Financial sector is a network of institutions and individuals who deal in financial instruments in financial markets. Finance and associated units make the financial sector. To understand financial sector, one need to have clarity over some technical terms that often confuse us. All the components of financial system are developed around three concepts: money, credit and finance. The first concept, money. Money is a medium of exchange. What is medium of exchange? Medium of exchange is that item or that product which acts as a medium in the process of exchange of goods and services from seller to the buyer. Usually, money is in the form of currency and coins, checks, drafts, credit and debit cards, etc. Credit and debit cards are called plastic money. Recently, e-payments, e-money transfers, net banking, net transfer of money, etc. also joined the area of or the scope and definition of money. Of this, the most popular form of money is currency and coins. They are the existing forms of money. The central bank of a country is responsible for the issue of and circulation of money which is in the form of currency and coins in a particular country. Next item is credit. Credit is an amount of money borrowed on a condition of repayment of principal amount along with the interest in future date. Finance is another term which already you are familiar. Finance is a facility that bridges the gap between income and expenditure through transfer of instruments or ownership of funds. In this context, it is also important to learn about a few more technical terms. Investment. When we spend money to generate income, it is called investment. Expenditure. When we spend money for our own purpose, our own use, it is called expenditure. Example, if you buy a pair of dresses for 2000 rupees to sell on profit, that 2000 rupees is investment by you. If the same amount and same is used to buy dresses again for your use or to give as gift to someone, it is called expenditure. Thus, anything undertaken with an aim of some profit or benefit, it becomes investment only. For example, you can say, I have invested all my free time to get through civils or group exams. I have spent all my free time watching TV or cricket or any entertainment. That's like spending. Some more confusing terms. Credit sales. Selling of any product or a service without cash, either virtually or physically paid, it is a credit sale. The buyer has to pay the price of the product or service in future on agreed date. Loan. Loan is a term used only when money is borrowed in the form of cash or cash transfer. Debit is the amount one owes to other. Capital is money held in cash or property, usually invested for further generation of income. Usually, the term capital denotes the investment in business, which may be in different forms like cash, assets, etc. This is a separate topic. I will make a separate video on this because capital is a very important topic. That's all in this video.